2003. That's a very interesting album name, bro. Yo, what's good, YouTube? What the fuck? Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back in the video. Today, we got this man named Protect, bro. Protect has dropped the album called SLIMEDUDE2003. I don't know what the fuck this album name is. Like, I'm guessing you just a dude and you, like, you know what I'm saying, you mad slimy and shit, and you were born in 2003, bro. That's what I'm gonna take from it. We got 12 songs in this bitch, bro. I never heard of bro in my life, so we gonna see, bro. He got a very interesting facial features, bro. But let's see what he got, bro. Let's see what he got. Somebody said that the people being glazing this man. We gonna see about that, bro. We gonna see. I wonder what his rap style is like. I'm feeling like he gonna be on some underground type timing though, cause I'm pretty sure he is an underground artist himself. St. John's High School. Cool. Let's check this bitch out. I like that little stutter. Hold on, what the fuck? Did this man just tease the fucking tag, bro? He was teasing the fucking tag, bro. Just give me the tag. That shit was hard. Gotta go hard, can't take breaks. Go down, shit like a prank. In the back, how cake. Got all these guns in the blaze. Dressing like a switch in my bed. Just don't play my hair like a game. I'ma shoot like a pistol like shit. I put a fire with me for a day. Shut out school, yeah, how about it? My check. Yo, lyrics. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. The lyrics is heavily saving this shit right now. Cause like I'm fucking with the flow, but I wouldn't know what the fuck he's saying if I'm not looking at these lyrics, bro. This is a very interesting sound. And did I accidentally skip to the next song? Bro, it's so interesting to hear like underground artists like fucking first songs and shit. Like they're opening song to like a album, bro. Cause it's like usually like they niggas be talking about some real ass shit or like preparing you for some. But right now, like, bro, I'm not even trying to be on some hating shit, but he's just talking about nothing, bro. Like just a bunch of like random filler bars, you know what I'm saying? Gotta go hard, can't take breaks. Go down, shit like a crazy. In the back, how cake. Got all these guns in the blaze. Dressing like a switch in my bed. Don't play my hair like a game. I'ma shoot like a pistol like shit. I put a fire with me for a day. Shut out school, yeah, how about it? My check. I'm so brave. Yeah, you know I'm finna, so why would you get away? I love her smash, pop out. She slay. No ass sticking, knocked out. Ah, yeah, I do fuck with the chorus. Yeah, she thought I wish. Nah. I am fucking with the chorus. Alright, here comes Starlight, bro. The way he said, I'm gonna pop out. Well, he said, my chest is okay. That's tough.
I know everything about you.
Firearm.
Fuck you, Ronnie. If you not ball hog, then die.
Got racks on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah. I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Remember I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay for them. Keep pouring up tricks, my dope cup. I don't wanna live long. Never ain't think I'ma live. You gotta watch this fire on. Everybody hit that hoe. Body trip, that it gone. I don't know plays all month. I really need to go back home. Ball big for life.
Hold on.
You should know that.
Hold on, wait. Bro, I'm okay with that with it being a little intro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't need them to rap too quick. But hold on, I'm kind of fucking with this little slower flow though. Like, bro, usually from like underground artists, it'll be harder to listen to. But like his voice is not bad, bro. He's not bad. I could tell.
Everybody hit that hoe, body trip, that it gone. I don't know plays all month. I really need to go back home. Ball big for life, you should know that. It's in my bones. Ball big for life, you should know that. It's in my bones. I'm going up, I got watch, I don't be jealous. I don't like who I hang out with. She think my name fellas. I wake up, get high all day. Swear I feel like heaven. I should move when I walk in the room. I feel like 11. I ain't like when I'm not with you. It felt like Armageddon. I ain't crack, I'm at the intersection. Blow that cash, bring it back. But baby, I ain't stressing.
If you not ball hog, then die.
What the fuck?
I pass on the way, yeah. I pass on the way, yeah.
Oh.
I don't fuck nobody. They say I'm a snake, yeah. But I love my ball brothers. They my fucking day ones. Remember I was stacking them quarters up. Trying to pay for them. Keep pouring up tricks, my dope cup. I don't wanna live long. Never ain't think I'ma live. You better watch this fire on.
Okay. Interesting little tone. By the way, NBA is all ball hog because this nigga 2K. Wait, what? What are you talking about? Yo, Starlight, stop talking about fucking Fortnite, bro. We gotta stop the 0 point from exploding. Let's go. That's interesting, bro, because this song is literally called Zeros. Like, what the heck? So far, like 1 for 2. I like the last song.
I'm in the bedroom counting them nuts. I need my rush, I'm die for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run from the yacht. Pinpoint location, we gon' get the drop. I have a drink, what the fuck is a drop? Rocket slow, got the racks on the couch. Tall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke out the ounce. Hop on that Hellcat, pinpoint location, we gon' get the drop. I have a drink, what the fuck is a drop? Rocket slow, got the racks on the couch. Tall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. Zeros on zeros all in my account. Bitch, I'm a stoner, I smoke out the ounce. Hop on that Hellcat, ramming that pounce. Had to switch up, it was still in the sound. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many dots, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the dog, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit at your crib, we gon' camp at your house. You voice took, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the
Hold on, wait. He might be in his bag on this one. Hold on, wait.
still in the sound. I got some racks and I'm killing them now. So many dots, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the dog, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit at your crib, we gon' camp at your house. You voice took, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the range, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cooling down. My so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red.
Yo, ew, why this flow is so weird right now? This flow is so weird right now. Hold on, wait. What the fuck is going on, bro?
I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the dog, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit at your crib.
It's like I'm fucking over it here, and then it just start like changing. I don't know, bro. Some is happening weird. Some weird as fuck is happening right now.
Gon' camp at your house. You voice took, yeah, I sound like a monster. Run to the range, we'll take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you now. Drinking the fridge, it's cooling down. My so tall, it look like shit. I said I'm murdered, my car red. I feel like vampire, count little tag. True to my name, I slow to a tag. I'm in the air when I'm booted over eggs. Split drink on Cuba, it's got me upset. Plus a re-up, I reply with black. I poured a motherfucking drink like a kid. I feel like a deer, I walk with the dead. Why old twig and she wanna do kid? I go with Cody, I don't wanna do that. Drink, I'm gon' throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said. It's on us, we gon' stop on they head. I put you on your.
Yo, this is such a weird flow right now, bro. This not one flow shit's mad basic, bro. It just me. That's what I'm saying. It sounds so all beat, bro. This not even like this sounds so weird, bro.
Don't give me no credit.
But like I see what he's trying to do. Like I was fucking with it, but then I'm like, hold on, wait. This doesn't sound right, bro.
I'm in the bedroom counting them nuts. I need my rush, I'm die for the guap. That boy scary, gonna run from the yacht. Pinpoint location, we gon' get the drop. I have a drink, what the fuck is a drop? Rocket slow, got the racks on the couch. Tall like a hoe, we keep punching his mouth. So many thoughts, I'm filling them out. You switched up, I'm not hearing you out. I'm the dog, you gon' see what I'm about. Sit out your crib, we gon' cap out your house. Deep voice took your ass out like a monster. Run to the range, let's take a route. Burning that bread, I don't care about you.
Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. There, yo, that's a bar. What's a bar? What I miss? The preset used, this just made his shit so clear, bro. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, bro. But I was fucking with it until I started thinking too hard. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm thinking of the flow too hard. This shit's like fucking me up. I don't like it now.
Drinking the fridge.
I'm in a back rooms counting the knots. I'm in a back room counting the knots. What do you mean? What's not? What do you mean by knot?
Cool it down. My so tall, it look like shit. I said murder, my car red. I feel like rap, I count little tag. True to my name, I slow to tag. I wanna yell when I'm booted over eggs. Spill drink on Cuba, got me upset. Plus every re-up, I reply with black. I pour the motherfucking drink like a kid. Feel like a deer, I walk with the dead.
I'm not even gonna respond. I'm not even gonna reply.
I figure she wanna do kid. I go with Cody, don't wanna do that. Trigger gon' throw a bit bled. I feel like Simon, she did what I said.
This is a weird ass song, bro. I don't really like this one. I don't really like this one, bro. This shit was weird. The beat is tough though. Long ass little outro. Yo, does he have ghostwriters or something? Why is there so much people under the written by? We got Ruben Frost, Ricky Shanklin, and fucking Vadim Knox. This was an interesting song, bro. 1 for 3, 1 for 3.
The fuck up, Chris.
Finally, first song that actually has lyrics that, like, you know, show up like this, bro. This must be like one of the biggest songs off the project, right?
The fuck up, Chris.
Yo, Great Screw, I forgot I even asked you that shit, bro. I don't like any shit so far. I mean, like, the second one was cool. Like, that, I'm what I really fuck with, when I really fuck with a song, I'm gonna actually add it to my library. But, like, you know, the second one was cool. It wasn't nothing crazy. Because the Backrooms is mechanically made by a company working on MRI scanning machines, and those use radiation. And the universe radiation is measured sometimes with cosmic knots. Nigga, you looked way too deep in that shit. There's no way he actually thought about that. He did not think about that, bro. He did not think about that, bro. He did not think about that, bro. What the fuck? Okay, short ass little song. This is okay. It wasn't crazy. Flow getting old 4 songs in. I mean, it was okay. I don't know, bro. This shit wasn't like, it was too short for me to really even like really analyze it. Goddamn, bro. 1 minute songs on the album. Oh my gosh.
She say that she on her way.
Hold on.
She say that she wanna make up. I can tell this finna fuck my day up. No, I ain't think about it like the blunt up. Niggas talking down, but I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like a layup. I'm I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Finna had the whole crowd fucking turned up. Finna had the whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk. She wanna stay the night. She wanna wear my hoodie, wear my bait. Red Owen van, off that skate. Hell no, you can't get in, you too late. Pop 100,000, okay. Tried out of college, I couldn't stay. But I hope I'll jump like a rave. They said let's have underground cave. Rico on the junior, you know.
Okay, so I'm guessing. Okay, because I thought when he said low tech earlier, I thought you were talking about low techer. I guess he talking about like pro tech, like low tech. That's what they call him. Okay. Yeah, you are on the ground, bro.
Like a rave. They said let's have underground cave. Rico on the junior, you know I'm mixing flavors. Hit that hoe, go by my daylight, baby, see you later. Fin break out my little shelf and break out like cicada. I know they watching me, they try to see what I made up. I'm finna show these niggas why I am the greatest. Look at my fans, got the whole crowd jumping. I'm sorry I popped this in, it's making it hard to stand. Get off your knees and hands, do a little so you can. I just tell my mind that I fucking hate it. I don't think we gon' work cause you too basic.
Okay, nah, I can't lie. That flow was good as fuck right there. He was good, bro. That's really all you gotta do, bro. Like, yo, I could really add this shit if this whole song had a flow like this, bro. This part was mad good right here.
I'm sorry I popped this in, it's making it hard to stand. Get off your knees and hands, do a little so you can. I just tell my mind that I fucking hate it. I don't think we gon' work cause you too basic. We fin hoop game, yeah, we fin lace it. I got a show in the morning, hope I make it. I got a show in the morning, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. Yeah, I hope I make it. She said that she on the way. She said that she wanna make up. I can tell this finna fuck my day up. No, I ain't damn body like the blind up.
Okay, this is one of the best songs so far, bro. So far, this is one of the best songs, bro. Also, Grayscale, why are you talking like you ever seen me play a game that actually takes common sense, bro? Like, real shit, bro. What do you mean I'm too slow? Acting like I didn't play God of War and every other fucking Dark Soul game out there, bro. Come on, bro. I know how to parry, gang.
Niggas talking down, I don't say nothing. Make it look easy like a layup. I'ma call you back, I'm about to perform. Finna had the whole crowd fucking turned up. Finna had the whole crowd fun. Whole crowd drunk.
Okay, tough. It's tough right here. And quit stuttering, boy, bro. I bet. What the hell was Otrika? Hold on though, this beat sound crazy. If he, bro, please actually do something good, bro. Like I'm not saying the other shit was good, but like I need to hear something different on this type of beat.
You've tried everything. Not yet. I got one more card to play.
I'ma drive down with two guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. And the spaceship cool like Elon. My song on ball like Dion. With a bad with 21. Got a big ass glide like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter. She'll phone me, trap our new ones. Lost on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamaran. He sippin' green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the nap, not neon. Cold in Buffalo, I put the heat on. I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these rats like GTA cheats on. C12, I'm feeling my speed on. Got chainsaw, I feel like Leon.
Yeah, nah, gang. Nah, bro, he sold the beat, bro. This sound like some fucking shit Uzi would get on and like literally kill that shit, bro. This reminds me of Suicide Boys. How they have fire ass beats, but fuck them all. What up? Oh, good damn. I'm not skipping a song, bro. Like this had mad potential, bro. I don't like how he came on it.
I'ma drive down with two guns. I'ma drive down just like Leon. In the spaceship cool like Elon. My son gon' ball like Dion. With a bad with twin I need one. Got a big ass Glock like Leon. And my chain really do look Peter. She'll follow me, tell by her new ones. Box on the Glock, it look like it's glued on. I see the dead, I feel like Leon. I hit the left and right like Tamaran. He sippin' green, that boy sippin' neon. No, I don't ask for the net, I'm not neon. Cold in Buffalo, I put the heat.
No, I don't act for the net. I'm not Neon. Is he talking about Neon the streamer or nah?
I need a rap, I'm finna put a beat on. All of these raps like GTA cheats on. 612, I'm finna get my speed on. Got chainsaw, I feel like Leon. He said street music, bitch.
Bro, this beat is amazing, bro. How you gonna... I don't know how he fucked that beat up, bro. I'm so surprised this nigga can write. What are you talking about? Time to hack your shit? Yeah, you're yapping, bro. Chill. Don't hack me, bro. Don't hack me. What was the last song name again? Whole Crowd. Whole Crowd is one of the best songs so far. What doesn't kill you? Come on. Also, a Sprite is some random bullshit on Fortnite they added, bro. Yo, chill, Starlight, bro. Oh my goodness. Hold on, y'all. What doesn't kill you? Come on.
It's so loud, it's go yeah. Nah, really kicking shit, you heard? Flex up on the road, boy. Every corner on the road, you remember. We send hugging, we send convoys. Flying my class, look like chicken, look like global. Look at how many times you made no noise. Blue honey, yeah, the bitch turquoise. Picturing myself in that Rolls Royce. Energy, we feel. Proof that I don't need you. But you drink on feed you. Drive high as when I see you. That's my eyes and real man. All the rest, top my kill. As I make it shine, they don't care. Yeah, slime dudes, 2003. I wish I knew. I get a bitch, you will cut it. It's so loud, it's go
If
yeah.
you're not ball hog, then die.
Flex up on the road, boy.
For that shit 23 times, yo.
I get a bitch, you will cut it. It's so loud, it's go yeah. Nah, really kicking shit, you heard? Flex up on the road, boy. Every corner on the road, you remember. We send hugging, we send convoys. Flying my class, look like chicken, look like global. Look at how many times you made no noise. Blue honey, yeah, the bitch turquoise. Picturing myself in that Rolls Royce.
For that shit 23 times, yo.
I need a reset. I need a reset. I wanna play, I wanna be jet. If you see me, I rap my shit. 10K for a show, I count a bitch. I'm stuck on the wall like a flyer. I get so high, turn to a crier. Said you had my bed, you a liar. I can't get out of bed, I'm so tired.
Liar, crier, liar, tired, fire. Inspire.
I go and miss set a fire. All I wanna do.
Like, how close do you want me to be, bro? Damn.
Fire, but they hate on me for a high look. That shit turned me to a hider, but I can't be no hider. That's why I creep like a spider. Front seat, yeah, I'm the driver. Make sure we get her safer. If someone else drove this, feel like my heart is eroded. Got to go with he wrote it. My life changed all shit. Diving no thought like dolphin. Can't stay together like dolphins. I get it green like Boston. Diamonds on the water like dolphins. I need a reset. I need a reset. Hop on a plane, hop on a bitch,
We're definitely like halfway. What's good, Ghost? Yo, Ghost, why you shooting with your? Why you talking about some hey? Like, gang. I am not the host, bro. What you want, bro? What you want? Turn this off before we crash out. Bro, I was like, I don't know, bro. This like gang, like, am I thinking too hard, bro? Let me stop trying to think too hard about it.
Look at I get the blue and the green. Say she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like Joe Green. Everyone watching look at like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Watch out like Austin Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making them leave. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Jot out, it's 230 above. Jot out, it's 230 above. I switch the rest of some jeans. Look at I get the blue and the green. Say she love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like Joe Green. Everyone watching look at like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Watch out like Austin Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making them leave. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Jot out, it's 230 above. Jot out, it's 230 above. Love me like, what did that mean? Dumb shit, I feel 2000 on lean. Dumb shit, I feel like Joe Green. Everyone watching look at like a screen. When I was a kid, I was rockin' Supreme. I know this fuck, I'm still rockin' Supreme. Watch out like Austin Reeves. Catch y'all out, I'm making them leave. I'm on your TV like the grudge. Talking on me like I'm fudge. Jot out, it's 230 above. Jot out, it's 230 above.
Yo, Grayscale, what do you talk about, gang? I said that shit before, gang. Holy shit, bro. As soon as I said that, you start bumping your head. Oh. I mean, nah, maybe just great minds think alike, bro. Great minds think alike. Yo, Cyro, gang, bro. What did you give us, bro? What did you put us on, bro? But I'm not gonna lie, like, bro, this beat was fucking terrible, puke fucking ass, bro. But I'm not gonna lie, like, something about that fucking, what he said, bro? I spent 2000 on lean, and like, okay. Skater.
Get it together. New pack, it came in the mailer. Yeah, I saw roll this wood. I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my grind, I feel like I'm catered. I was misfit. You can't better all the time, he got 6 cents. That top on my money now I'm 16. My little cousin call me just to say 67. My little cousin call me just to say 67.
Yo, bro. Like, you just didn't know what to say, bro. What do you mean, bro? Like I'm like, okay, send him my money. Okay. All right, you got a 6 cents. Okay, you a misfit. Then you talk about some my little cousin called me just to say 6'7", bro.
Top on my money now I'm 16. My little cousin call me just to say 67. I just hit a check, I'm so ratchet. All you got is up, we could match it. Brand new man for my Glock, I attach it. If she throw that ass, I'm gon' catch it. I sold up round, yeah, it'll rinse it. Find yourself, get it together. New pack, it came in the miller. Once I roll this wood, I feel better. I get on my grind, I'm a fucking skater. I get on my...
Yo, why is it so short, bro? Honestly, this is one of them songs that I would actually fucking fuck with, bro. Like out of the all these songs, it's like, what was it, the 4th song? I would add this, bro. I will probably add this after like a listen or two, bro. I don't know, gang. It was something about that. But I hate this little 6'7" bar. Like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? I'm like, I'm short, they better. I mean, I guess, gang.
I grind, I feel like I'm catered.
Hold on, that sample. What sample is that? That shit sounds tough. Hold on, what is that? Last of Us? Hold on.
Come down, addy. She said that I drove my car too long, too fast. All these drugs, I don't get no fuck. You know, fuck, yeah. Zombie mode, yeah, walking dead. Zombie mode, I eat brain on head and legs. Scratch off on the fence. I know you gon' switch, make it quick, go ahead. Bullshit disease, you spread. All these drugs, I don't feel it yet. New number, you get green text. Power to collect that all text. I ain't even hit my prime yet. I ain't even hit my slime yet. I really done lost my mind now. I ain't take a chill pill. Die for me, so I know it's real. Slide for me.
Yeah, nah, bro. I was fucking with the beat, bro, until he started rapping. It's like, bro, I'm trying to fuck with it, gang. I'm dead ass trying right now, bro.
So I know it's real. Hit on ya, confirm the kill. SRT, where that will. Hop out, big black trunk. Hop out, big black trunk. Brand new pole clutch. Hit your house out wide. It's only me, my brothers. It's the last of us. Come down, addy. I'm dead. She said that I drove my car too long, too fast. All these drugs, I don't get no fuck.
It's like, I see what he's trying to do. He actually got like somewhat of a flow going on here, but it's just not. It's not for me, bro. I don't know.
You know, fuck, yeah. Zombie mode, yeah, walking dead. Zombie mode, I eat brain on head and legs. Scratch off on the fence. I know you gon' switch, make it quick, go ahead. Bullshit disease, you spread.
I don't even know what song that shit is. Next song, bro. Next song. You the one. You the one. Oh my god, bro. Yo, not that ass though. Wait, what sample is this from, bro? What sample is this shit? You should listen to Rest in Peace shit. Yeah, I will. Bro, this shit, this green screen gotta go, bro. This green screen dead gotta go, bro. It's over, bro. It's over. TikTok sound preset. You will not fuck with that? Shit, who knows? Yo, Starlight, stop talent watching, bro.
Jacob, I love you.
Oh. Bro, can my fucking headphones lock in?
Shining, money start telling me on me. Bitch, give a brain and a scholarly. Big got Draco with his bitch hollering. Bad bitch, Instagram follow me.
Yeah.
On the ground swallowing. Wanna be a ball hog, follow me. These nigga music suck, honestly. Money different colors like a tapestry. Trying to get paid like an athlete. Spend my money on expensive clothes. Shot a hoodie and it's pushing eerie. Staying on, then no point of falling off. Breaking hard, yeah, I ain't calling off. I'm a ball hard, niggas fear me. I'm a ball hard, nigga clearly. You gon' do it, let me know when it happened, so I can be a part of this. You wasn't here when we started this. How the fuck is you gon' be a part of this? We got big bullets trying to hit a nigga. You could make an impact, just do it, nigga. I was fucking gas, how to get up. I was hoping that someone found me. I be posted up where the house be. Diamonds on my neck, I be trying to me.
Oh, that part is so tough. The now-ning, the shining, like what the fuck, bro? This beat good. I'm telling you, bro, that shit tough. How did he get this cleared? Or does this not have like really like much copyright shit, bro? I feel like this shit would be a fucking a drag to get this shit cleared, bro. Abnormal could never make like see, bro. That's you know I can make something this peak since you fucking thinking about me doing it, bro. Like what does this shit have to do with me, bro? But what's good, RT World? I ain't gonna lie, this might be one I actually add, bro. I'll add it, but I can't keep a promise that I'll keep it. Like, I gotta see when that bitch pop on if I actually fucking with it. But this is one of the best ones I heard so far. This shit was smooth. Most underground niggas don't clear samples, so he didn't clear it? Maybe, but if on Spotify, I'm pretty sure it's cleared. Oh my days.
Jacob, I love you. I love you.
Rav Trench? Wait, why is it not playing? There's no way we finished it. What the fuck? What the fuck? We finished it already? Man, I mean, I guess, bro. That's is this a EP? Is this considered an EP for him, or is this an actual album for bro? You know, it was a smooth little shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't nothing really crazy. I if anything, I probably fuck with like what 3 songs out of all these 12. So like 3 for 12 in reality, bro. It's just like bro, his flow is just a little interesting, bro. Maybe I gotta get a bit used to it. Saro, how did you like it, bro? This was 1 out of 10. How many songs? Best for last, I guess. It was 12 songs, bro. Best for last. Yeah, that last one was one of my favorites. So, what else did I like? This one a little. If it's gonna play. All right, it's not gonna play. Wait, never mind. I don't like this one. That's the fucking weird beat. But zeros was or Matt Katsusin was cool, bro. You know what I'm saying? Interesting. I wonder if this is like one of his best projects for like people who actually fuck with bro. But anyways, bro, let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments below. Let me know if I should check out anything else from bro. And yeah, also why I recognize this shit, Ball Hog for Life. Like, am I tripping, bro? Why I recognize this? Very weird, very weird. Anyways, yeah.